Have you ever contemplated why the number 3 holds such significance in nature? This is more than just a philosophical musing. The number 3, or the triad, is woven into the very fabric of our natural world, playing a pivotal role in a myriad of phenomena that shape our environment. Consider the trifoliate leaves of a clover, the primary colors that paint our world, or the tripartite segments of many vertebrates. These are all instances where the power of 3 comes to the fore, creating a vibrant tapestry of life. It's not by coincidence but by design, an efficient and effective blueprint that nature has honed over millions of years. The cycle of life itself is a triad, beginning with birth, followed by life, and culminating in death. It's a dance choreographed to the rhythm of time, a cycle perpetuated by every organism on this planet. It's a testament to the enduring power of 3, a number that's as unyielding as the cycle itself. Look closer and you'll see triads in the geometric patterns that nature so ingeniously crafts. The triangle, with its 3 sides and 3 angles, is a staple in natural formations, from the crystalline structures of minerals to the symmetry of snowflakes. And then there are the celestial rhythms governed by the triad of the sun, moon, and earth. These 3 celestial bodies dictate the ebb and flow of tides, the changing of seasons, and the transition from day to night. Even the phases of the moon echo the power of 3, cycling through new moon, first quarter, and full moon. Ecosystem dynamics, too, revolve around a trinity: producers, consumers, and decomposers. This interconnected trio maintains the ecological balance, ensuring the continuous flow of energy and nutrients. And let's not forget the triplet code in our DNA, the 3 nucleotides that encode specific amino acids, the building blocks of life. It's a subtle yet profound reminder of the foundational role of 3 in genetic processes. So, the next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the power of 3 in the world around you. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating realm of nature to uncover the mystery of triads. Consider the humble clover. Have you noticed its leaves grouped in 3s? This trifoliate arrangement is no mere coincidence. It's a stroke of natural genius that optimizes sunlight exposure and nutrient absorption. Each leaflet angles itself to catch the sun's rays, maximizing photosynthesis. This trio of leaflets also reduces competition for light and resources, showcasing nature's efficient design. But the power of 3 extends beyond the clover's leaf structure. Peering beneath the surface, we find that each leaflet is also divided into 3 main veins, a triad within a triad, further emphasizing the importance of this number in natural design. Now let's transition from the world of flora to the realm of color. Imagine a painter with only 3 colors on their palette: red, green, and blue. It might seem limiting, but in the additive color model, these primary colors hold the potential to create an infinite spectrum of hues. Just as the clover uses its trifoliate structure to adapt and thrive, nature employs these 3 primary colors to paint its vibrant landscapes. From the fiery red of a sunset, through the lush green of a forest, to the deep blue of the ocean, these colors are the building blocks of our visual experience. Now consider the plumage of a bird. Each feather might seem a simple, solid color at first glance, but look closer, and you'll see an intricate blend of these primary hues, creating a multitude of shades and patterns. In nature, the number 3 is not just a number. It's a principle, a rule of thumb that underpins the beauty and efficiency of the world around us. From the trifoliate leaves of the humble clover to the primary colors that fill our world with vibrancy, the power of 3 is everywhere. These examples demonstrate the efficiency and beauty of triads in the plant world and color spectrum. So, the next time you spot a clover or gaze at a colorful landscape, remember the power of 3. It's not just about the number, it's about the harmony, balance, and beauty that this number brings to our world. The number 3 doesn't stop at plants and colors. It extends to the animal kingdom and the very cycle of life itself. Let's take a journey into the realm of animals. You'll find that many vertebrates, creatures with backbones, are built around a triad of main body segments. The head houses the brain and sensory organs, the thorax contains vital organs like the heart and lungs, and the abdomen is home to the digestive and reproductive systems. This 3-part division is a blueprint found in everything from tiny insects to towering giraffes. But the magic of the triad principle goes beyond the physical. In the social structures of many animal species, triangular dynamics often emerge. Take, for instance, the dominance hierarchies observed in wolf packs. The alpha, beta, and omega wolves form a triad that maintains order and stability within the group. The alpha leads, the beta supports, and the omega, though at the bottom of the hierarchy, plays a crucial role in social cohesion. In this way, the power of 3 even shapes the social lives of animals. Shifting gears from the animal kingdom, let's consider the grand cycle of life itself, which is also underpinned by the number 3: birth, life, death. Each organism embarks on this universal journey, marking its own unique path along the way. Birth is the beginning, the emergence of new life from the old. Then comes the phase of life, a time of growth and change, of learning and adapting, of struggle and triumph. Finally, death arrives not as an end, but as a transformation, a return to the earth that nourishes new life. This cycle, this triad, is a fundamental rhythm of existence. It underlines the interconnectedness of all life forms, the ceaseless ebb and flow of energy and matter, the beautiful, relentless march of time. From the structure of creatures to the stages of existence, the triad principle prevails. From the smallest crystal to the grand scale of celestial bodies, the power of 3 is omnipresent. Let's dive into the world of geometric patterns and celestial bodies to understand this better. Triangles, the simplest polygon, are the building blocks of all geometric forms, found in the most surprising places in nature. This is no mere coincidence. Triangles provide a perfect balance between structural stability and spatial economy. Take, for example, the delicate symmetry of a snowflake. Each one is a masterpiece of triangular geometry, an exquisite balance of order and complexity. Or consider the intricate crystalline structures of minerals. Each crystal, with its unique lattice of triangles, is a testament to nature's architectural genius. This triangular geometry ensures the stability of the crystal structure, while also optimizing its growth and development. Now let's shift our gaze upwards, towards the grand theater of the cosmos. Here too the triad principle holds sway. The celestial rhythms that govern our lives are dictated by the dance between 3 celestial bodies: the sun, the moon, and the earth. The sun, the glowing heart of our solar system, provides the energy that fuels life on Earth. The earth, our home, spins on its axis and orbits the sun, giving us our days and seasons. And the moon, our celestial companion, orbits the earth, its phases marking the passage of time. The interplay between these 3 celestial bodies influences everything from the tides in our oceans to the seasonal cycles that dictate the ebb and flow of life on Earth. Furthermore, the phases of the moon, new moon, first quarter, full moon, illustrate the cyclical nature of celestial phenomena. Whether in the symmetry of a snowflake or the rhythm of the cosmos, the triad principle is in action. It's a testament to the elegant simplicity of nature's design, demonstrating that sometimes the most complex mysteries can be understood through the simplest of patterns. From ecosystems to genetic codes, the number 3 continues to play a critical role. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ecosystems first. An ecosystem thrives on the harmonious interplay of 3 fundamental components: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers, such as plants, harness the sun's energy and convert it into food through photosynthesis. This energy is then passed on to the consumers, the animals that feed on these plants. And finally, the cycle is completed by decomposers, organisms like bacteria and fungi that break down dead plants and animals, returning essential nutrients back to the soil. This trinity of life keeps the ecosystem's wheels turning, maintaining a perfect ecological balance, and once again, we see the number 3 at the heart of this intricate dance of life. Now let's shift our gaze from the vast expanse of ecosystems to the microscopic world of our cells. Here too, the number 3 holds sway. Our genetic code, the blueprint of life, is written in a language of triplets or codons. Each codon, composed of 3 nucleotides, corresponds to a specific amino acid, the building block of proteins. This triplet code is universal, shared across all forms of life from the simplest bacteria to the most complex mammals. This elegant system of 3s enables the vast diversity of life we see today, from the myriad species that inhabit our planet to the unique traits that define each one of us. In essence, the number 3 is not just a number, it's a fundamental principle that underpins the workings of our world, from the grandeur of ecosystems to the microscopic marvels of our genetic code. It is a testament to nature's intricate design where nothing is superfluous and everything serves a purpose. As we can see, the influence of the number 3 stretches from the macroscopic scale of ecosystems to the microscopic world of our DNA. So, why does the number 3 hold such significance in nature? From the trifoliate leaves and primary colors to the triads in the animal kingdom and life cycles, the power of 3 permeates our world. It's in the geometric patterns we admire, the celestial bodies we gaze upon, the dynamics of our ecosystems, and even the genetic code that breathes life into us all. Perhaps it's nature's way of reminding us that balance, harmony, and efficiency often come in threes.